Okay. So we're going to do, I think, 3 quick examples. I'll probably give prizes for maybe 1. That one's a hard one. I want to make sure. I want to see what's in here. I wonder if we have any that are like that in the homework. Not really. Okay, so example 1. So everybody write down 5a minus 2b equals 15. All right, you see how this equation has an a and a b in it? So when you solve for a or b, you're not going to get like a number. You're not going to like get 5 or something. You'll have almost a formula on the other side. It's just getting it very conveniently on one side. So this problem says solve for a. So we're going to do just what we did before, only we're going to get a by itself, and our answer will be a formula instead of a number. So what do you guys think is the first thing we can do to get a by itself? Sawyer?
Plus 2b on each side.
Right, plus 2b, and we're adding both of them. It's almost like it's a number now. So now I've got 5a equals 15 plus 2b. Now how do I get a by itself? Connor?
We can divide by 5.
Right, divide by 5 on both sides. Now you can actually leave it like this. And that is an okay answer right there. I know it looks complicated and it's frustrating for those of you who really want it to be like just a number, but that's how it's going to be. Another way you could do it, another acceptable answer, look up, would be if you divide each of these by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 2 divided by 5 is just 2/5. So you could write it like that as well. Either answer would be accepted. Do you guys understand where the 3 came from?
Yeah.
Where? Where'd it come from?
When you divided the 15 by 5.
Right, 15 divided by 5 is, and this one's just 2/5. So the 5 goes divided into both of them. It's definitely something that's useful if both of them evenly go into it, but not necessarily on the other side. Okay, so let's try this one. 2v equals w plus v, and we're going to solve for v. Who wants to win a prize by telling me how to do this? Hands up if you want to take a shot at it. Be brave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anybody else? Two. Okay.
Right. I want to say first you would probably subtract 1v.
Yeah, and good job calling it 1v because it didn't have a number in front of it.
Because now you have 1v on the left side equals w, then you can divide by 1 on the left to just have v equals w.
Right, yeah, and you could divide by 1 if you want to, but now it's already done, okay? So sometimes you do have to get the v's on the same side or those things on the same side first. And I know it looks like a weird answer, but that is okay. You can go get a prize. If you want a fortune, just wait a minute because I want to finish my video. Okay. The last one we're going to do is this one. Let's do example 3. df plus 10 divided by 6
We can see that.
equals g. All right, last chance for a prize. Who's interested in a prize for this one? Be brave. Just go for it. Connor, put your hand down. You just won. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anybody else? Okay. Yeah, it is harder than the last
Which
one.
one are you solving for?
We're gonna solve for F. Good question. 3.
Is that me?
I don't know, was it? Sounds like it, yeah? Okay,
So once you start off by multiplying by 6,
good. Remember, this stuff is almost in parentheses up here, so we're gonna first multiply by 6 on both sides. So now I've got df plus 10 equals, I'm gonna say 6g instead of g6, because usually you put the number in front. All right, keep going.
and then you said for F,
Mm-hmm.
would you do minus 10?
Yeah, so we're gonna get rid of this 10 on both sides. Now it's df equals 6g minus 10. And then what?
Divide by D.
Divide by d. So my final answer is, say it to me, Sawyer.
F equals 6G minus 10 over D.
Perfect. And I know it looks gross because there's lots of variables in there and it feels weird to have that as an answer, but that's what this lesson's all about. There are some two-story problems where it'll kind of like use that kind of stuff with it. Your homework, which is going to be due on Tuesday, is page 124, numbers 1 through 21 odds. Again, this is due on Tuesday.
Are we working on it Monday?
Yeah, we'll also do a puzzle though, and it'll be like a whatever, half an hour class instead of our normal 44 minutes. So expect that you are going to have to do some of this outside of class.
What is going on Monday?
It's a late start.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you